Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Saurabh. So in this video, we're going to look on that why follow-up is most important nowadays. Like if you want to build your career on marketing or sales field, or else if you want to build your career on customer service as a customer service. So why we have to do follow-up and what is the way we can implement our follow-up strategy. That thing we're gonna look on this video. So people those are watching me right now, please watch this video till the end, so you will get to know about follow up more thing. So I'm inviting you, please watch this video till the end. So let's begin with the video. Follow up definition. What exactly follow up is? Follow up is nothing but as simple as that. Follow up definition is when we get a lead from somewhere and until unless converting in this lead as a customer, so what we did in between, that is called follow up. In between we make a call to our customer, we send a mail, we fix an appointment, this whole criteria is called follow up. So now let's take it as simple example in follow up so you will understand easily. So we everyone went for shopping mall, right? So when we if we purchase something from shopping mall and when we go for billing, at the time they are asking our mail IDs, they are asking about our phone numbers, and they keep this our number or mail ID. And after that what they do, they're sending a mail, they're sending a SMS, they're making a call to us, and they informing that in this particular shopping mall, we have this product and this kind of discount is going on. They inviting us to visit again this shopping mall, and that is all about follow up. It's as simple as example is follow up. So main intention is follow up is that, like, when we get a lead and after getting this lead, when we convert this lead as a customer, that is the main motive or main focus in follow-up. So that is all about follow-up. Now we have how can we make our follow-up strategies more strong, more powerful? See, there is three ways. By using these three elements, we can make our follow-up strategy more strong, more powerful. First one, send a mail or SMS. See, if you visit any commercial platform, people those who are watching me, if you visit any commercial platform, then might be see when they're asking your mail IDs, your numbers, when they get your mail IDs and numbers, after that based on your interest, they're sending a mail, they're sending a message. This is one kind of marketing as well as follow-up. So they try to influence you about their product more and more, and this is the follow-up more important thing. Like nowadays, if you don't have any experience about this, then please I'm requesting you people those who are watching me, please visit any commercial platform else like Byju's, Unacademy, or else like Flipkart, Mahindra, this kind of website. Please visit it and search any particular product. Then you will receive a mail, you will receive a message, you will receive a call. They are observing you based on, after that they are sending a mail, they try to influence you to purchase this product what you search on their website. So that is the most important thing. First one is mail and second one is virtually. Virtually means by you, whether it can be they can use social media platform, or as virtually they are making a call. So see, virtual nowadays due to COVID, people are preferring, or company, organization, or customer as well as preferring virtually, because they want to keep their self on safe zone, right? So virtually means when we get a lead numbers or Facebook ID, Instagram ID, whatever. After that we try to connect him, and we virtually, whether it could be video call and telecalling, we try to interact with the customer and present our product and try to influence him to purchase our product. That is called virtual from virtual follow-up. That is virtual follow-up. And third and last one is to fix physical appearance, to fix a meeting with the customer. So personally I'm prefer physical appearance, because see, as per my 1 year experience, I can tell 90% time when we able to fix the appointment with our customer, then this lead going to convert as a customer. Because see, in physically what happen, if you we visit physically with the customer home or office or place, any place, then we have to understand the customer. While speaking, we have to understand the customer emotion, customer demand, what exactly he looking for. Based on that, we can take our conversation forward, and so that it will be easy to the customer to create the interest. It will be easy to customer, him, he going to understand about our product very easily. because we have to keep some like curiosity about the product, right? Our product, that is like being a salesperson, we did like that. So that is all about. It's rather than like if you send a mail, if you send virtually, that it will be a little bit difficult to understand the customer what exactly going on in his mind. So that's the reason I'm preferring physical appearance to like setting fixing a appointment with the customer. So that will be like more successful in 90% time. And so by this using these three elements, we can make a strong follow-up strategy. In any organization, they are like following this kind of strategy. Like if you work with sales team or else like customer service, they are following this kind of strategy to making their customer to giving satisfaction their customers. So now we know like why you have to learn this kind of thing and why it's important. Like see, suppose think if sometime if some salesperson come to you and he's like said like this, sir, this is my product, you have you this is the features you have, this is the feature you will get, so are you going to buy? Definitely not, because when we connect with our lead in first time, then he exactly not able to ask, sometimes he not able to understand what exactly we are presenting to him about our company, about our service. Then we have to, when we have to connect in several times, then only he can get to know about our product. Because think like when a customer allows thing like when we when salesperson interacting him, he thought like if he purchase something that will be his expensive. We have to convert this mental customer mentality as a like his needs. And when we able to like make them understand to customer, this is his or her need, he or she need to buy this our product. After that he will get like he complete his like need, what is his demand, then only we can able to like sell our products. So it's my humble request, people are those watching me right now currently, please learn about your, take some initiative from your side and learn about how you can write a mail, how you can begin with your customer or like this conversation, how you can fix a appointment. Because see, people those who are in institution, they might be don't know about it, because people those who are working with marketing or customer service team, there it's our daily work, it's our daily routine to send a mail, to send a message, to fix a meeting. It's our daily work, because when you will join in corporate sector, it will be your daily work. So you have nowadays you have to take some initiative from your side as well, as right, because in our institution we can't able to learn a lot of thing about write a mail message, how to start our conversation with the customer. So you have to now, you have to, this is your responsibility, while taking some initiative you have to learn, right? Because when we enter in corporate sector, you will not get enough time to learn this kind of thing. Nowadays like open platform is there, we have a YouTube, we have a Google. By using that we can, if we start learning by today, I like it will be take only few days gets the idea about how you can write a mail, how while mailing how can you describe your product in very interesting way. Because if you're not able to make it interest about your product, then you can't get a like you can't be able to convert this lead as a customer. Because in a day customer receiving 100 of mail, he is not going to check every mail. So make your mail or whatever SMS is interesting, so that like while seeing while seeing one time he can be like interacting about, we have to like make some curiosity about your mail, so that while seeing next time he going to connect, trying to connecting you. This is like from all those things. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video, for your valuable attention. I hope after this video going to help you. And people, it's my humble request once again, just start using this kind of platform, online platform, to improve yourself. Just try to implement this thing, so it in further when you will come to corporate sector, so it will be more helpful to you. That's it. Thank you so much everyone, once again everyone, for watching this video. And if you like my video, please hit the subscribe button, share with your friend, family, to everyone. Thank you so much once again. Thank you all.